Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, until 7:15 a.m. At 5:35 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots over Sharps Island Lighthouse, moving north at 25 knots. This thunderstorm will be near North Beach, Chesapeake Beach, Poplar Island, Bloody Point Lighthouse, Mill, Thomas Point Light, Severn River, Greenberry Point. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. The marine forecast for Chesapeake